This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
How to do a factory reset. We will begin by clicking on the three dots and click Hub Settings. Next, we will go to Factory Reset. Click OK. And your HOOBS box has now been factory reset.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.